You work tonight?
No, I'm not working tonight.
You're not.
I'm just buying some stuff.
Why don't you work tonight?
I can't. We'll be over budgeted. Hello. Ano? Kinukuha na kita ng video. Lalagay ko sa YouTube. Huh?
Don't take your pictures.
I'll put it on YouTube, you know? And I'm gonna leave afterwards.
Di ba yan? Ay, pangit yan.
Ha?
Pangit yan. Ang erase.
Anong pangit? Hindi, tatuwaan lang to eh.
Sir, iwan ni Jan yung kanyang cellphone.
Ngayon,
Iwan niya yan dyan, oh.
ayaw mo dyan. Kukunin niya mamaya yun.
Ring namin kanina eh. Ayan.
Baka siya yan.
Kanya yan, di ba?